products come with a seal. So if you receive an Audison product that hasn't got this seal, it's worth asking your dealer or us why. Sometimes I know they do random checks in manufacture, or even in distribution, where they'll look inside the product, make sure everything's good to go. But here we go. I haven't seen these myself yet, so look out. Book and plenty of packaging. Nice little silky style bag. I'm hoping this is a massive box. It is as well. Wicked. Such a good presentation from this thesis line. Here. As you can see, this is just a scaled up version of the violinos. That's the Violino II, the new one. It's a serious bit of kit. One of the best tweeters I've ever heard, if not the best on their day. Anyway, so exciting stuff. I've not seen the new grills yet either. These are a full metal grill. They're really light actually. They make these out of some magic metal I don't really understand. Not too sure if it has any sort of acoustic property to it, but pleasant. The new Audison style logo as well. Here goes. I've push terminals on these rather than I say push terminals, like push on terminals, rather than the older Sax, which had a Allen key grub terminal, and if you lost that, you were knackered. It was like an M1 point something. It was tiny. It looks fantastic. It's quite lightweight actually. It's lighter than the older one. Quite rigid too. Ace. Just the presentation of it, just brilliant. I'm likely going to use these myself, so I don't feel so bad pulling off all their plastics. Whenever we have a client that takes in something like this, or anything for that matter that's new, we leave that peeling to them, because it's peeling is sacred around here. So yeah, that's the new THii Sax at 6.5 mid bass, 1149. I'm pretty sure. 899, or maybe 849. It's a £2,000 retail kit. Specs wise, have a little look through here, see if they go into some detail. I can't speak Chinese. Okay, so there must be a disc somewhere that gives us more in-depth stuff and maybe some response info, but if you can see that, I'm going to drop a little pause and yeah, take that in. Saves me reading through and getting quite boring about it all. The channel at the moment, like I say, work's been pretty crazy the past few weeks. We've got another series for the caddy van that'll be coming out soon. It's a little bit backwards because we've actually changed now what we done in that video, so I don't know whether to save it for a little bit and then release that later. But yeah, I mean, we're looking to push on with that now because things are kind of, we've reined things back in and we've got a little bit of time to do some shooting like this. And yeah, well, we've got Andy working on helping us with video as well. So there's an extra set of hands, which always makes it easier for us. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. These are a pretty special speaker. Not many people get to see them or experience them. We will have something put together in an Audi, in a B8 Audi Avant, which is going to have these, and it's going to have the f8.9. So yeah, you know, we'll have this system together, maybe even with an AP10, because that is a stellar little subwoofer. 229, I think, is it, you know, it does things way beyond its price point. It's ridiculous. You know, do us some favors with the channel, because we need feedback on the channel. We need subscriptions on the channel. We need follows. We need thumbs up. We need bells on. We need, you know, everything that can help us devote more time to, you know, to our YouTube channel and social media channels, so that, yeah, it just frees us up. It makes it a little more worth our while, giving information out and hopefully helping some people along the way, and you know, ultimately promoting ourselves. So especially if you're a current client of ours, also spread it around. All right, thanks for watching. Sorry for rattling on. It's been a while. I just thought it's worth telling why. But we're back there now, and we can carry on. All right. TH6.52 Sax. Yeah.